Please stay until the end of the video for a bonus video.
Okay guys, ready for round 2, trying to recover the Uhaul. So this time we're gonna go through a different route. So the person we asked to let us know when the train moved, they did call us. The train was moving, but then like 3 minutes later, they called back saying that the train stopped again. So this was later at night, so we don't know if the train moved or not at all. So again, we're gonna go through a different way, and we'll see if if we have any access to it. So as always, thank you guys for coming along, and I'll keep recording once I get there. There goes the train. It's moving. I don't know that it's the same train from yesterday, but that one's moving, so hopefully we'll have access. We were trying to go a different way, but the freeway ramp that would take us there, it was closed because of road work. So our first option is to come back to the original route. So we'll see what's up in a little bit. Yeah, still standing. I'm sure that's the one that is blocking us because the entrance is a little bit more down the road, but the train's there, so let's go around. Okay, we are on Glen Helen Road. This street is supposed to take us all the way to the Uhaul through dirt road, of course. So let's see where it goes. And I want to give a quick shout out to Jesus Amaniego and Gabriel Lujan for reaching out and letting me know about this other route. Okay, here we go. Dirt road. And at least we are on the other side of the tracks now. Tracks are up there. Oh. Anyway. Lizard, move. Oh. Hopefully I didn't squish him. There was a little lizard walking in front of me. I slowed down, but not fast enough. So hopefully I didn't step on it. Okay, so there's a wire right here. Let me check the map. Alright, we're gonna take the left road because George is behind me. His truck is a little bit wider, it's a dually, and this road seems to be a little bit more wider than the other one. So let's see if I made the right decision. There's a train tracks. Since this is the first time, for us on this trail, I didn't know I had to take this crossing right here, so we missed it. I kept going straight, and of course George was following me, and we end up on the train tracks that are a little bit higher up on the hill. All right, let's see. I see. What? It's making the noise now. Did I get a rock in my caliper or what? Yeah, I think I did. I had a rock in my calipers or something. So this right here is getting a little bit more narrow. I'm not sure that George will, I mean, I'm sure he can make it through, but I don't know that he'll want to come back with the U-Haul on top of the trailer through here. We'll see. Okay, so there's a little crossover here. There was one, you know, a little bit further back, and I didn't take it, but I think we need to take this one. Hopefully George will have enough room to go over it, so we can go to the lower trail, which is an actual trail, not like gravel like this. So let's see if George can make it through here. Oh, then there's a truck coming. Hopefully not this way. No, I think they're going straight. Yeah, that's the trail we needed to be on, the one on the bottom. So I saw the map. The map showed the road here, so I figured that was a trail, but it's just gravel. So we have to climb down and go to the trail below. Ahí va la bajada. Ahí está. And that's the 15 over there. All right, let's go. The guy in the white truck turned around and it's like waiting there. I don't know if it's a Ranger or what, but let's see. Now we're on the trail below, right next to the tracks where we needed to be. So we're not too far away. As soon as I get there, you know, we'll keep recording. There it is. The same train that blocked us the first time. You know, we're back the next day and still not moving. So anyway, let's keep going. I hear noises like the engine is on, but not really. So I'm not sure what's going on here, but look at that. And that looks nice. should be able to find Brian any minute now. We're getting closer to the site. We're getting closer to the crossing where we got blocked by the train, and he is on the other side, so he's gonna be parking and parking his vehicle and just jumping over. And this should be right here, but I'm guessing he drove off and has to come back. So we're gonna wait for him real quick. Oh, I see him. I think he's coming. And there it is. CRB, I see it. This is, what's up, man? Come on. This is where we got blocked off last time. Now we're on the other side. And George is coming. And the U-Haul should be somewhere over there. We'll figure it out right. There it is. What's cracking? What they tell you? Oh, look at that. One tire. Due to the location of the U-Haul and the possible hostility for the from the locals and the tire conditions, we decided to come back a different day with better tires so we can roll down the U-Haul down the hill and onto the trailer.
Watch until the very end or you will miss it.
Whoa, that was crazy. That was intense. Woo! Dang!